Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. So now let's make an easy slice and split transition in CapCut. Now before I move into the main part of the video, if you want to elevate these transitions to the next level and make your video stand out, I recommend adding a background track and sound effects. And what this will do is really elevate the video and make these transitions pop. Now where do you get your background sounds from and the sound effects? That is where Epidemic Sound will step in. There's no need to worry about copyright claims and getting your videos taken down or anything like that with Epidemic Sound. There's a link in the description below. It's well worth checking them out if you want to take your video production to the next level. So let's get back into the main video. So first things first, let's drag our media onto the timeline. Then move to the end here where you want to make the splice or the split transition. Then drag your second piece of media to that section. Then all you need to do, come to the start of the second media, come over to the right hand side, select video, then mask, and we want to select the mirror mask. And we want to make the mirror so it's completely together so you won't see it. Then let's add a keyframe. Let's move the playhead on slightly. Then grab the mask and make it the full width. The keyframe will automatically be added when you do that. Now when you press play, you can see this splits into the second clip. If you want to speed the split up, you can grab the keyframe here and drag it to the left so it's closer to the first keyframe, and that split will happen quicker. Now let's delete them keyframes and start over again to make a slice split. So again, let's add a keyframe at the very start with using the mirror mask. Make it so you can't see the mask by bringing them both together. Then let's move the playhead on slightly. Let's open up the mask ever so slightly, like that. Again, let's move the playhead on slightly. Then let's add another keyframe. Let's move the playhead on again slightly. And let's open the mask fully. Now as you see, when you play that, it's like someone has sliced the clip and then split it. So let's add a third clip as we just did. Let's go to the video and mask again, and let's select mirror. Now with this transition, you can turn the mirror mask in any direction. So let's go on a slant like this. Again, let's close the mask completely, add a keyframe. Let's play the video on slightly, open up the mask, play the video on slightly. Then let's add another keyframe. Then let's play it on again and open up it fully. So as you can see, it's the same effect as before, but on an angle. And let's do that a third time. As I say, you can change the angle in any direction. You can go 180 degrees with this mask. So we'll do exactly the same effect, just on a different angle. And there you go. That's how to make an easy splice split transition in CapCut. But the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching.